There is a high incidence of influenza according to the Ghana Health Service. 773 cases of the H3N2 influenza have been recorded in some schools across the country. My colleague Sarah Penkro visited some schools and households and reports.
The Ghana Health Service in its latest update gave a notice of an outbreak in respiratory infections due to the change in weather pattern. Many of those infected are students.
2-3 weeks ago, we noticed the changing of weather, and we realized that the children are coming, coughing, running nose and other stuff. But what we normally do is when we see that the case is very severe, we advise parents to let the children stay at home, and some too didn't come at all. We have a lot of absenteeism.
According to the headmistress, the school will be fumigated over the weekend to contain the spread of the infection.
We did it earlier on, but at the look of things, we think we have to redo it. Since it cannot be done whilst they are around, between Saturday and Sunday, it can be done.
Every household the news team visited had a reported case of flu. For Joseph Kuma and Moses Nidodu Amu, their youngest children were the first to be infected.
The authorities should look at the schools because they said that they mix at the school. He came home with headache and flu. He had been treated and discharged, and we are still monitoring him.
They call pharmacists now. Antibiotics man.
He was given antibiotics, and he is better, but his siblings are still struggling.
The adult population is equally infected.
The natural remedies have really helped. It was very severe initially.
I've seen people with catarrh and cold, but me, I experienced coughing. Coughing, that was last 2 weeks, so I decided to treat malaria.
There's a little boy here who is also coughing.
I think it's the weather, but I hear there is an outbreak of an infection.
Medical practitioner Dr. Dennis Bote, who anticipated the increasing number of cases reported at his facility, cautioned the public against close contacts with persons experiencing flu symptoms.
For us on the ground, the number of cases of flu is increasing by the day, and the numbers are staggering and going up and up and up. Flus usually like cold weather, so it's the ground seems to be very fertile for these organisms to thrive and fester. Let's wear our mask. Let's wash our hands frequently as possible. The blow and the elbow thing to now going back to shaking, but I don't think it's time yet for us to start shaking hands.
Sarah Penkro, TV3 News, Accra.